In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Minecraft connection timeout error Getsockopt. So let's get started. First, click on your start menu and search for CMD. Right-click on the command prompt and click on Run as Administrator. Type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. Go back to the start menu and search for the control panel. Click on it. At the top right, make sure View By is set to large icons. Click on Network and Sharing Center. On the left, go to Change Adapter Settings. Locate your network and right-click on it. Go to Properties and here select Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties and select Use the following DNS server addresses. Type 8.8.8.8.8 here and 8.8.4.4, then click OK. Now, go back to the Start menu and search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click on it. In the top left, click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Go to Change Settings. Scroll down and look for Minecraft. Make sure public and private are ticked for both Minecraft and the Minecraft launcher. Also, look for Java and make sure private and public are ticked for it. Once done, click OK at the bottom. Launch Minecraft and the issue will be resolved. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!